This I eat banana. Anyway, guys, Danmar Dayaw, and Sangkay Janjan, both of you, stop making fake accounts. Like Mrs. Annie Gill and Kuya Rodelio Duguman are going to file the cases against both of you. Because I know both of you, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, both of you will be detained in Camp Karingal. Oh, for me, do not create fake account. You don't know about Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan. All of you, both of you created the fake account. Even teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Dina Guillermo, they created the fake account to ruin everyone, to ruin the Duterte supporters, and ruining Cedric Mariano. Even what is it? The PWD. It's not good to create fake account. Look at my friend Jens Manaid. He never create fake account on Facebook. For me, do I make fake account? Oh, me in the past, I made the fake account of Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Gia Malana, 2021 and 2024. That was the incident. I made the fake account of Larry Chuanico that I attacked the church of David Gill. I explained it to J. Rick Silva. Ako may kasalanan. This is my fault that I made the fake account of Ray Lawrence Chuanico or Larry Chuanico. And not even just that, I'm the one who made fake account of Luis Cabales, Ronan Cayabyab, JD Viniegas. This is my fault when I created the fake account. Unlike you, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, both of you want to create fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman and Mrs. Annie Gill. Both of you have never experienced a shame to the mother of David Gill and a person with cerebral palsy, Kuya Rodelio Daguman. It's not really good to create fake account. If I were you, Danmar, you will show your consequence. What is it? Yes, I eat banana. Yes, I ate. Like I said before, Danmar, you never taking your eaten in your brain. You know what you're talking about. You are creating lots of dummy account to manipulate Cedric. Like I said before, sinungaling ka talaga, Danmar. Nagawa ka pa ng fake account. Why you even to create fake account? I'm just gonna calling out of Autism Society of the Philippines. And even Mona Bilus. Why can't you discipline Danmar Dayaw? That's why. Ronald Rebena asked me, hindi po yan si Mrs. Annie Gill yan, yung nanay ni David Gill. Hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Baka fake account yan. That was you, Danmar. Do not create fake account. Everyone, they don't like to create fake account in Facebook. I was explaining to Teacher May Tiburcio. Teacher May asked me, who create the fake account of David Gill that was his mother, Mrs. Annie Gill? I explained to Teacher May Tiburcio. It was Dan Mardayaw, oh, and Sangkay Janjan, who created the fake account to troll Mrs. Annie Gill, to create Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David, to ruin the Duterte supporters, even the PWD. Mrs. Annie Gill has no related to politics. The mother of David Gill is non-partisan. She is doing retirement, overwhelmed retired. She was being an overwhelmed retirement after she works there in Congress, after she works there in for her law office. That was the law office of Joel Ferrer. That was the uncle of David Gill, and that was a friend of Aton Comentador's father. Like I said before, the mother of David Gill is overwhelmed retired. Matanda na po siya, like I said. Wala naman po siyang kinalaman sa politika. Like, what you're talking about, it's nonsense. This is very defiant. This is very resilience. I know I criticize against Dan Mardayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo. They should stop making fake account on Facebook. Putragis kayo, nagagawa kayong fake account, like what you're creating at, it's not really nonsense. However, when you create fake account, Danmar, are you still happy you trolling your everyone to create a stupid fucking fake account on Facebook? I'm sorry for my bad words, guys. I am criticizing at Dan Mardayaw. It's not good to create fake account. If you're a Catholic, Danmar, you need to show your consequence. Alam mo yan, Danmar. I know you're idolizing Bongbong Marcos. You love Bongbong Marcos. Give me a break, Danmar. Magnanako pala si Bongbong Marcos. Mana-mana yan sa tatay niya. He's a thief. You don't know what you're talking about, Danmar. First of all, you attack. First of all, you create a fake account, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, para sirain si Cedric. Nilalait mo pa si Cedric. Like I said before, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he has nothing to do to Cedric Mariano. He's also overwhelmed working in Muntinlupa City Hall. He's busy in working. Oh, he's busy. I said it. He's busy. Oh, nagtatrabaho po si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Sabi po ni Roylan, like I said. Busy po siya. Oh. He's busy. Why do you even attack Kuya Rodelio Daguman and he has nothing to talk about politics? Wala naman po kinalaman yan dyan. Like I said, he never talk about politics. And why did you harass Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Why did you create fake account on Facebook? Danmar. You know, Danmar, it's all the lie. Like the Marcoses are the creative of lies. They are liars. You remember that in the musical film about Imelda Marcos? Love, Lie, and Love. Oh, that was a musical stage. That was from the story of Imelda Marcos. That was a musical stage in the US, even the UK. It's about the story of Imelda Marcos, why Imelda Marcos is a thief. He inspired his son, Bongbong Marcos, to become a thief. If I were you, Danmar, manahimik ka na lang. Do not create a stupid fake account to manipulate Cedric. Tapos ginaganon mo pa si Cedric. It's not good. That's why Roylan Marlang explained to me, hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman, fake account yan. We have to avoid about fake account. You know, Danmar, it's always the best you can say to you, the wish is, before Holy Week, it's Palm Sunday right now, you need to stop creating fake account. Tigilan mo na yan, Danmar.